Crash course on Canadian telecommunications and top telecom service providers. Canada's telecommunications industry is a vital part of the country's economy, providing critical infrastructure for businesses, government, and individuals. The industry has undergone significant changes in recent years, with the emergence of new technologies and the increasing demand for high-speed internet and mobile services. The Canadian telecommunications industry is dominated by a few major players, including Bell Canada, Rogers Communications, and TELUS Corporation. These companies offer a wide range of services, including wired and wireless internet, cable television, and mobile phone services. One of the biggest challenges facing the Canadian telecommunications industry is the vastness of the country's geography. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area, and much of that land is sparsely populated. As a result, providing high-speed internet and mobile services to all Canadians can be a significant logistical challenge. Despite these challenges, the Canadian telecommunications industry has made significant progress in recent years. For example, in 2019, the Canadian Radio, Television and Telecommunications Commission, CRTC, declared that broadband internet was now considered a basic service, meaning that all Canadians should have access to reliable, high-speed internet. Canada's telecommunications industry has also been at the forefront of developing new technologies, such as 5G wireless networks. In 2020, several Canadian telecommunications companies launched 5G networks in major cities, offering faster download speeds and lower latency than previous wireless technologies. One interesting example of Canadian innovation in the telecommunications industry is the development of the BlackBerry smartphone. BlackBerry was founded in Canada in 1984 and quickly became a major player in the mobile phone industry. The company's smartphones were known for their security features and were popular with business users. Although BlackBerry has since fallen behind competitors such as Apple and Samsung, the company's legacy lives on in the development of secure communications platforms for industries such as healthcare and autonomous vehicles. Another interesting example of Canadian telecommunications innovation is the development of the Canadarm. The Canadarm is a robotic arm that was developed by the Canadian Space Agency for use on the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. The Canadarm has been used for a wide range of tasks, including capturing and releasing satellites, moving large objects, and conducting experiments. The development of the Canadarm helped to establish Canada as a leader in space technology and engineering. In addition to these examples, there are many other Canadian telecommunications companies and technologies that have made significant contributions to the industry. For example, Mitel Networks is a major player in the development of voice-over-IP (VoIP) technology, while OpenText is a leader in the development of enterprise content management (ECM) software. There are several major telecom service providers in Canada. Here are some of the most prominent ones. 1. Bell Canada. Bell Canada is a leading telecommunications company in Canada, offering a wide range of services, including wireless, internet, TV, and home phone. They also provide business solutions such as data center and cloud services. Bell Canada's website is https://www.bell.ca/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.bell.ca/support/contact-us. 2. Rogers Communications. Rogers is another major telecom provider in Canada, offering wireless, internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide enterprise solutions such as cloud services and network security. Rogers Communications website is https://www.rogers.com/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.rogers.com/customer/contact-us. 3. TELUS Communications. TELUS is a leading telecommunications company in Canada, offering wireless, internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide healthcare and IT solutions for businesses. Telecommunications website is https://www.teles.com/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.teles.com/n/support/contact-us. 4. Shaw Communications. Shaw Communications is a major Canadian telecom company that offers internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide business solutions such as data center and cloud services. Shaw Communications website is https://www.shaw.ca/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.shaw.ca/contact-us/. 5. Videotron. Videotron is a Quebec-based telecommunications company that provides internet, TV, and home phone services. They also offer mobile services and business solutions such as cloud services and data center hosting. Videotron's website is https://videotron.com/ and their contact page can be found at https://videotron.com/residential/contact-us. 6. Cogeco. Cogeco is another Quebec-based telecommunications company that offers internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide business solutions such as cloud services and data center hosting. Cogeco's website is https://www.cogeco.ca/n/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.cogeco.ca/n/contact-us. 7. Eastlink. Eastlink is a Nova Scotia-based telecommunications company that provides internet, TV, and home phone services. They also offer mobile services and business solutions such as cloud services and data center hosting. Eastlink's website is https://www.eastlink.ca/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.eastlink.ca/about/contact-us. 8. SaskTel. SaskTel is a government-owned telecommunications provider in Saskatchewan that offers wireless, internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide business solutions such as data center and cloud services. SaskTel's website is https://www.sasktel.com/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.sasktel.com/store/contact-us. 9. T-Bay Telephone. T-Bay Telephone is a telecommunications provider in Thunder Bay, Ontario that offers wireless, internet, TV, and home phone services. They also provide business solutions such as data center and cloud services. T-Baytel's website is https://www.tbaytel.net/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.tbaytel.net/contact-us. 10. Xplornet. Xplornet is a rural internet service provider that offers satellite, fixed wireless, and LTE internet services across Canada. They also provide business solutions such as VPN and cloud services. Xplornet's website is https://www.xplornet.com/ and their contact page can be found at https://www.xplornet.com/contact-us/. Overall, Canada's telecommunications industry is a critical part of the country's economy and infrastructure. The industry has faced significant challenges in providing services to all Canadians, but it has also been at the forefront of developing new technologies and innovations. As the industry continues to evolve, it is likely that Canadian telecommunications companies will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of the industry. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.